Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create effective Facebook ads, starting with setting up your foundational ad accounts. First, establish a business manager account. This acts as your central hub for all ad activities and assets. Then, simply create a new ad account or link an existing one directly within Business Manager. Ensure your relevant Facebook page and Instagram profile are correctly connected for seamless ad delivery. Finally, securely add your preferred payment method so you are ready to launch your first campaigns smoothly. Next, selecting the correct campaign objective is crucial because it tells Facebook what outcome you desire. For instance, if you want more visitors to your website, choose the traffic objective. If your goal is to collect customer information, opt for lead generation instead. Perhaps you are aiming for increased engagement on a specific post. There is an objective for that too. Aligning your objective with your business's true aim sets the foundation for a successful campaign and ensures Facebook optimizes for your desired results. Defining your target audience is a critical step, ensuring your ads reach the right people. Start by pinpointing demographics like age, gender, and geographical location. Perhaps you want to reach women aged 25 to 45 in specific city districts. Then, delve into interests and behaviors that align with your offering, like people interested in sustainable living or online shopping. You can also upload customer lists to create custom audiences, or let Facebook find new potential customers who mirror your existing ones through lookalike audiences. Now it is time to craft your ad and set your budget. Your ad creative, whether a stunning image or a dynamic video, must immediately capture attention within the first 3 seconds. Pair this with clear, compelling ad copy that tells your story and encourages action, perhaps a short headline and 2 to 3 sentences of description. Next, decide on your budget. You can allocate $10 a day, for example, or set a total for the entire campaign duration. Finally, determine your ad schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.